Hello everyone, welcome to SQL session. Today's session is about left join with the AND condition and left join with the where condition in SQL. First we will see what is a left join. When we do the left join of two tables, we will get all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Now we will see the example for left join with AND condition and left join with where condition in SQL. I am going to select all the records from department table. Department table contains department code, department name, status, created by, created date, modified by, modified date, deleted by, and deleted date. In this table, department code is the primary key. Next, I am going to select all the records from section table. Section table contains section ID, section name, department code, status, created by, created date, modified by, modified date, deleted by, and deleted date. In this table, section ID is the primary key and department code is the foreign key. I am going to select both the statements and going to execute. Here, both department and the section table both are connected with the field department code. Under HR department, only one section exists, that is HR. Under finance department, there are two sections, finance and payroll. Under IT department, there are three sections, programming, networking, and help desk. Under communication, only one section exists, that is communication. And the last department is engineering, and under engineering there is no section exists. So each section is coming under a particular department. Now I am going to do the left join of both the tables. The syntax is select star from department left join. I am going to do the left join with the section table. Then here department table and the section table is linked with the field department code. So here I am going to give dpt dot department code is equal to section dot department code. Now instead of star, I am going to give dpt dot department code comma department name section ID comma section name. I am going to select the statement and going to execute. Now you can see I got all the department names, also all the section names which are coming under the department. Here you can see the department engineering also displayed here, and under engineering there is no section exists. That's why section ID and section name both are displayed null. So here department is the left table and section is the right table. So when we do the left join, we will get all the records from left table. That's why I got all the department names. Here finance, the department finance repeated because there are two sections coming under finance, and the department IT also repeated because under the IT department there are three sections exist. Now I am going to change the programming session status into cancelled. Here status A means active and status C means cancelled. I am going to select all the values from section. Now you can see the programming session status is cancelled. Now I am going to select all the section names with the status active. So here I am going to select section status also. Section status. Here I am going to select all the sections with the active status. So I'm going to give and section status is active. I'm going to select the statement and going to execute. Now you can see the programming section is excluded from the list, but the engineering department is displayed here with the section ID null, section name null, and the section status also null. Here the AND condition will work with the left join. So first it will check all the sections which is coming under the department and the section status is active. So here the programming section is coming under IT department, but the status of programming department is cancelled. That's why the programming department is not displayed here. But engineering department is displayed here because I am doing the left join. So it will display all the department names here, and there is no section exists under the department engineering. So this AND condition will work with the left join. Now instead of AND condition, I am going to give where condition. So once I give the where condition, what will happen is here it's a must that the section status should be active. I will say once again, when we give the where condition, then all the section status should be active. I am going to select the statement and go to execute. Now you can see the programming section is excluded from the list. Also, the department engineering is excluded from this list, because when we give the where condition, it's a must that the section status should be active. But if I give and condition, this will work with the left join. So what it will check is, it will take all the sections which is coming under the department and the section status is active. That's why the programming section is not displayed here, but engineering department will come here. Next is, I'm going to change the status of programming status into active. Next, I'm going to select the department and I'm going to change the IT department status into cancelled. And here dpt dot status is equal to, sorry, dpt status as department status. Now here I am going to select the department status is active. First we will select up to here, then we will see it. So here the IT department status is cancelled, but there are sections coming under IT department and the section status is active. Here engineering department status is active, but there are no sections coming under engineering. So once I execute this one, we will see. So this AND condition will work with the left join. So first I will take up to this one, then I will execute. Then you can see here programming, networking and help desk. 3 sections are coming under IT department, but IT department status is cancelled. So this section name will not display when I give the AND condition, because here the department IT, the status of department IT status is cancelled. I'm going to execute this statement. Now you can see I got all the department names, but section ID, section name and section status of IT is displayed null, because this AND condition will work with the left join. And here under IT department there are 3 sections exist, but here it also checking the department status is active. So under IT department with active status there are no sections exist. That's why sections not displayed here. Now I am going to give where condition here and I am going to execute. So once I give the where condition, it's a must that the department status should be active. Then this record will not come here. I'm going to execute the statement. Now you can see the IT department is excluded from the list. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.